Welcome to our tutorial on the split command. First, let's activate the split command. Under Elements to Cut, I'm going to select Extrude 1. For the cutting elements, I'm going to select Extrude 2. As you see, this side is grayed out, meaning it's going to be removed. If we want to keep this side, we can select Other Side. We can also choose to keep both sides. Click OK, and you see it's now two separate surfaces. If I open Split.1, we'll see the second surface, Split.2. Let's double-click and uncheck Keep Both Sides. Another option here is Intersection Computation. Basically, what CATIA does is compute the intersection for you. Let's press Other Side and click OK. And here is our new Intersect.1. Now, under Cutting Elements, I'm going to select a second surface here. As you see, we've got a second intersection computation since this checkbox is still enabled. If we want to use the other side, we click here. If we want to keep the other side cut, that's been cut by Extrude.3, I select Extrude.3 and Other Side, and then click OK. Alright, let's go see how it works with Wireframe. Let's activate the split command again. Under Element to Cut, I'll select this sketch. Under Cutting Elements, I'm going to select this sketch. And again, we have the choice to keep the other side, or both sides, and to enable intersection computation. In this case, it'll be 2 points. Let's click OK. Here, I'll choose to keep all the sub-elements. OK. As you see here in our specification tree, Sketch 2 is grayed out, and we've got Split 1. And this concludes our tutorial on the split command.